Schluter Kerdi Shower ST is a sloped shower tray made of lightweight, expanded polystyrene for constructing shower bases. The tray can be cut to size with a utility knife or extended with dry pack mortar as required. If there is access to the plumbing from below and the waistline can be connected to the Schluter Kerdi drain after installation, the tray can be installed prior to the drain. When there is no access to the plumbing from below, install and connect the Schluter Kerdi drain to the waistline prior to the installation of the shower tray. Please refer to the no-access plumbing demonstration with Kerdi Drain and Kerdi Shower ST video for this method and return to this video when that work is complete. The substrate must be clean, even, and load-bearing. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to the installation of the shower tray. The Kerdi Shower ST is installed using unmodified thin-set mortar. A 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notched trowel is used to apply the mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the subfloor with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. Place the shower tray and solidly embed in the mortar. Check the underside of the tray to ensure that full coverage and support are achieved. Re-embed the tray. The next step is to install the Kerdi drain. Schluter Kerdi Drain is a floor drain with an integrated bonding flange that ensures a secure connection to the Schluter Kerdi waterproofing membrane at the top of the assembly. Fill the step in the shower tray completely with unmodified thin-set mortar. Press the Kerdi drain firmly into the mortar to ensure full support of the bonding flange. Clean excess mortar from the bonding flange to prepare for Kerdi membrane application. Schluter Kerdi Shower SC is a lightweight expanded polystyrene shower curb specifically designed to integrate with the Schluter shower system. The Kerdi Shower SC is installed using unmodified thin-set mortar, similar to the Kerdi Shower ST shower tray. The curb can be easily cut to size using a handsaw. Apply the mortar to the subfloor, edge of the shower base, and walls. Press the curb firmly into place. Verify that the curb is level. The Kerdi membrane is bonded to the shower tray and curb using unmodified thin-set mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notched trowel, or the Schluter Kerdi trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Apply the thin-set mortar to the shower tray and fleece-covered bonding flange. Apply a thin layer of the mortar with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. The mortar is applied up to the step in the bonding flange. Apply the Kerdi over the shower tray and drain flange. Embed the Kerdi in the thin-set mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. Be sure the connection between the Kerdi and Kerdi drain is secure. Clean the excess mortar from the step in the bonding flange. Depending on the size of the shower base, it may be necessary to install multiple sheets of Kerdi. Waterproof integrity is maintained at joints using 2-inch wide overlaps in conjunction with unmodified thin-set mortar. For example, Kerdi sheets may be joined using a 2-inch wide lap seam. Alternatively, Kerdi sheets may be butted and covered with Schluter Kerdi band waterproofing strips, centered over the joint. Since Kerdi band is 1/2 the thickness of the Kerdi membrane, buildup at seams is minimized using this method. In this demonstration, the second piece of membrane is cut to cover the remainder of the shower tray and curb. Kerdi band will be applied over the joint. Kerdi may be creased prior to installation to help maintain tight corners and make subsequent tile setting as easy as possible. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the shower tray and curb. Embed the Kerdi in the thin-set mortar to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. Cardboard is placed over the previously installed Kerdi membrane to protect it while making the waterproofing connections between the tray, walls, and curb. Install Schluter Kerdi Carrick preformed inside and outside corners using unmodified thin-set mortar. Apply the thin-set mortar to the area where the Kerdi Carrick inside corners will be installed. Embed the Kerdi Carrick into the thin-set mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife. Holding one side of the corner in place while embedding the other side in the mortar helps keep corner installation simple and easy. Repeat the process at the remaining inside corners. Install Kerdi Carrick outside corners at curb-to-wall transitions along the inside of the curb. The next step in waterproofing the shower base is to use Schluter Kerdi band waterproofing strips to seal the tray to the walls and curb. Measure and cut sections of Kerdi band such that a 2-inch overlap is achieved at all junctions. Note that a 2-inch overlap can be achieved at Kerdi Carrick corners without continuing Kerdi band all the way to the corner of the shower. This will limit buildup of the membrane in these areas and make setting small tiles easier. Kerdi band may be creased prior to installation to help maintain tight corners and make subsequent tile setting as easy as possible. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the area where the Kerdi band is to be installed. Embed the Kerdi band into the thin-set mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife. Repeat this process at all remaining joints, ensuring that the minimum 2-inch overlap is achieved at all transitions. Depending on project requirements and installer preferences, The order of Schluter Kerdi waterproofing installation may vary from that demonstrated, provided that all surfaces are covered and 2-inch overlaps are maintained at all seams. The Schluter shower system is designed to be flexible and meet the needs of the installer. The Kerdi waterproofing application for the shower base is now complete. A water test is recommended before setting tile to verify a successful waterproofing installation. This evaluation may be required by building code officials on some projects. Wait 24 hours after the membrane installation is complete to allow for final set of the mortar and to ensure waterproof performance of the assembly at seams and connections before water testing. Please refer to the How to Perform a Water Test video for this method and return to this video when that work is complete. If tile is to be set on floors adjacent to the shower, consider use of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling and waterproofing membrane, which can be sealed to the Schluter shower system to provide comprehensive waterproofing in the bathroom. More information is available in the Ditra Connection to Shower Base video.